Today we're going to show you how to join a horizontal seam with your crochet by using your crochet hook. So what you're going to need is a hook the same size as what you've been crocheting in and some yarn. In this case we're using our chunky Aussie merino. So attach your yarn to your hook by tying a slip knot, and then you're going to lay your yarn underneath the work that you're about to crochet together. Next step is to line up our stitches and make sure that each stitch is sitting next to its buddy on the other side. Now we're going to start crocheting our pieces together, and we're going to work into the chain 3 in each corner. So starting on the right hand side, insert your hook into the top loop from top to bottom. And now insert your hook into the matching chain 3 on the other side in the bottom loop from top to bottom. You should now have 3 loops on your hook, including your slip stitch. Now we're going to yarn over with our working yarn and slip it through all 3 loops on our hook to create a slip stitch. And that is our first stitch done. So now let's do that again. So we're going to work into our next stitch, inserting our hook into the top loop, and now find the bottom loop on the matching stitch on the other side, yarn over your hook and pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. And that is your second slip stitch. We'll have a look at that one more time. So insert your hook into the top loop on the right hand side, and now the bottom loop on the left hand side, and pull your working yarn through all 3 loops to create another slip stitch. And then you just continue to do the top loop, bottom loop, slip stitch all the way to the end of your piece.